and shark.
Okay.
They all have different sorts of pellets in their food, so especially alpaca and sheep pellets.
Which one?
Yeah.
Yeah, just stand next to mommy. You wanna touch the animal, Eve? You scared?
Ebony, Ollie, and Winter.
Touch it. Just touch it. Yeah, yeah, like that. Now look at mommy.
Tiny bit.
Yep. Look, see? That's okay. It won't bite you.
I want to go. And mix
Yeah.
and put some muffin and mix it. Look. Look. I can do it. Now. I want my room.
We are currently in Norfolk. We're just gonna stop here to fill up our water tank. We will be staying here as well. This dump point is actually outside the caravan park, but we won't be staying at this caravan park. We will be staying at a free camping somewhere else. I think it's behind a hotel. This is the caravan park. And the dump point and the potable water is just outside of the caravan park. I think you look good. You're looking good on both sides. There's still space. Keep going. Yep, all good. Okay. Yep, looking good. But to the left hand side a bit more. Okay, slow down. Okay, slow down, slow down. You're gonna hit the pole. The butt needs to be on your left hand side. Yep, now reverse back. Go back. Yep, look good. Okay, slow down, slow down. Yep, I think it's good enough now. You just need to straighten the caravan. we just went for a drive to New Norfolk. This is where we get our water earlier in the morning. Next to it is the Derwent river. Is very beautiful at sunset. That's why we decided to drive back here so that we can watch the sunset next to the river and fly the drone as well. It was so hot today. As soon as we arrived at our camping site, we just quickly get changed, and then I start cooking for lunch and dinner so that later on I don't have to cook anymore. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm videoing the family walking.
And I shall obscure that.
Can you video your own shoes?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yay!
What are you doing? Why are you laughing? Why are you taking your shoes off?
Justin would comment about my shoe.
Like this much gap.
There's a gap at the back of my shoe because it's too
like
big. It's size 6 and my feet is size
And
5.
your feet aren't walking straight, Mama. You tell me that my feet aren't walking straight.
I am walking straight. So yeah, so he would comment about my shoe. Well, this sort of like a vintage Oxford shoe, which I really love. I bought it from an op shop. It's still new. Yeah, I love it so much, even though it's size 6, but it still fits. It's just that it's just leaving a gap. And Justin comment about it. Today is Tuesday, the 1st of February. It's also our Lunar New Year, so happy Lunar New Year. We are welcoming the year of the tiger. I am not born on the year of tiger, I'm born on the year of dog, and none of us are born on the year of tiger. Yesterday we arrived in Gretna and we stayed in Gretna Hotel Backyard. It's a free camping area with donation. They just want you to spend money drinking or having a meal at a pub. So Justin had a drink and he bought 3 Coke and he bought a bottle of cider, and it's together it's only cost him $15. That is very cheap. We only stay here overnight so that we can check out new Norfolk, and then we are leaving today to a national park. Keep coming forward. Straight. Yeah. Go forward more. Go forward. Yeah, keep going forward. Go forward. Yep. Are you good now? Okay.
mommy. Hello. You're playing babysitter. Yeah.
Okay.
And the baby is crying.
Okay.
And then we hit into the box.
Okay.
And we hit in and gonna beat that and put it inside.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Please. My hands is all taken. Can I have some pepper, please?
When it's cold and raining outside, eating instant noodle is the best.